Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, July 6, 2026. I hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. We had an awesome time. Our oldest daughter came over Friday night, and then Saturday we did some things, and then we have family up from New Jersey, so we went out for dinner and played cards, and we had a whole bunch of things. And then yesterday was my little sister's birthday, so we went up to her camp and did some boating and swimming and had great food and lots of laughs, and it was just a nice weekend. So I hope everyone had the same type of weekend that we had, a nice fun 4th of July weekend. But anyway, I wanted to hop on here and talk to you about silver. It's at 62 and some change this morning when I checked it. So still volatile, but you know, like I say in all my other videos, I'm still stacking it. I'm not worried too much about the price of it at all. And I don't even look at it like an investment anymore. I'm just in the habit of stacking silver. So whatever it is, I'm still buying more every week. In fact, I just had a quick silver order update saying that one of my packages has shipped out today. So I should be getting another one in the mail today, and then I have another one on its way. But anyway, I just went to the post office. I dropped off a couple of my paintings that I sold over the weekend, and now I'm headed to the soap shop because we have a bunch of orders that came in for our 4th of July sale. So I'm going to pack those up, and then I'm going to go back home and continue working on some things that I've been working on regarding, you know, business and something that will help you all build your business, just to get in the mood to build your business the right way. Okay, a mindset thing. And that's really why I wanted to hop on this and do this video. Is I wanted to give you a silver price update. I wanted to, you know, just check in, wish everyone I hope that they had a nice weekend, but also to talk about it being Monday and a new day to go out there and set and crush your goals. Because if you're not showing up every day and taking massive action and staying consistent, you're not building an empire. You're never going to build an empire, right? If you're jumping from program to program to program, and you're only showing up when you feel like showing up, you're never going to build your empire. You have to be willing to show up every day, take massive action, stay consistent, even when you don't feel like it, in order to build your empire. So today's a brand new day. I know over the weekend I ate so much junk food and unhealthy stuff, but today's a new day, right? So I'm going to get back on my diet. I'm going to get back on the treadmill. I'm going to start focusing on what I have to do to get healthier, and I'm going to show up for my businesses like I have been doing all along, right? It's just that right now I have multiple businesses, which at some point you can have multiple businesses too if you don't already. Right? But the main thing is to find one product, service, or opportunity that you like, that you're passionate about, and stick with it long enough to where you start getting an income from it. Right? And then once you do that, once you start making money from it, then, you know, feel free to add on another income stream. The average millionaire has 6 to 7 income streams. Right? So there's nothing wrong with having more than one income stream. But the point of it is that you have to build one up first before you can build any others. Because if you can't build one, you're not going to build multiple. So you have to show up every day, take action, stay consistent, whether you want to or not, right? And today's a new day, so show up, take action, stay consistent, and just start doing it. And if you do it for 30 days in a row, it'll become part of your daily routine, and you won't even have to think about it anymore. You're just going to show up and do it and take action. That's how empires are built. Not like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I don't feel like it today. Not, I'll do it next week. No, do it now. Do it today. Get it out of the way. That's how you build empires. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on here, do a quick video. Again, I hope you all had a nice 4th of July weekend, and I hope you take action today. Stay consistent, even when you're not feeling like it. And down the road, someday, you'll be thankful that you did. All right? So I'll leave links down below to everything I'm working on. Quick Silver is an awesome opportunity. You know, I had some customers and wealth ambassadors join me this past week, like I do most every week. And our team's just getting bigger and bigger. People are seeing the value in storing precious metals and stacking precious metals. And, you know, it's just something that's awesome. So, in my opinion. But anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Have a great week. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.